Hi friends, welcome to Current Jobs for All. Baba Atomic Research Center has invited applications for the posts of Stipendary Trainee, Technician B and Work Assistant in RMP, Baba Atomic Research Center, Mysuru and Chalakere, Chitradurga district. Submission of online applications commences on 4th January 2021 and closes on 22nd January 2021. The total number of vacancies for the post of Stipendary Trainee Category 1 is 11. For the trade chemistry, there is 1 vacancy. For chemical, 3. For mechanical, 2. For electrical, 2. For electronics and instrumentation, 3. Educational qualification required is BSc Chemistry or Diploma in Electronics or Instrumentation or Electronics and Instrumentation or Electronics and Communication or Instrumentation and Control or Instrumentation Technology. Age limit, minimum 18 years, maximum 24 years. The selection process for the post of Stipendary Trainee Category 1 will include a screening test and interview. The screening test will consist of 40 questions from Diploma or BSc level subjects. Each question carries 2.5 marks. Half mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Candidates who are qualified in the screening test will be called for interview. The final merit list will be prepared based on the performance in the interview only. Upon completion of 2 years of training, candidates will be absorbed in the post of Scientific Assistant C based on the performance in absorption interview. The total number of vacancies for the post of Stipendary Trainee Category 2 is 36. There are 8 vacancies for the trade chemical plant operator, 14 for fitter, 5 for electronic mechanic, 3 for electrical, 1 each for carpenter and draftsman civil, and 2 each for draftsman mechanical and mason. Educational qualification required for the trade chemical plant operator is minimum 60% in HSC with physics, chemistry and maths, or minimum 60% in SSC with physics, chemistry and maths, and ITI in chemical plant operator trade. For all other posts, educational qualification required is minimum 60% in SSC with science, maths, and ITI in the trade of either fitter or electronic mechanic or electrical or carpenter or draftsman civil or draftsman mechanical or mason. Age limit, minimum 18 years, maximum 22 years. The selection process will include a preliminary test, advanced test and skill test. The preliminary test will be a written exam comprising of 50 multiple choice questions. There will be 20 questions each from maths and science and 10 questions from general awareness. Each question carries 3 marks. 1 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. The duration is 1 hour. Candidates who are clear preliminary test will be eligible for advanced test in the respective trade for a duration of 1 hour. The test will comprise of 50 multiple choice questions. Each question carries 3 marks. 1 mark is deducted for each wrong answer. Based on the merit of marks scored in advanced test, candidates will be shortlisted for skill test. The final merit list is prepared based on the merit of marks scored in the advanced test for candidates who have qualified in the skill test. Upon successful completion of training, candidates may be considered for absorption as Technician B and C. The post of boiler attendant, there is 1 vacancy. Educational qualification required is SSC with valid 2nd class boiler attendant certificate. Age limit, minimum 18 years, maximum 25 years. The selection process will consist of 3 stages, that is written test, advanced test and skill test. The preliminary test will consist of 50 multiple choice questions of 1 hour duration. There will be 20 questions each from maths and science and 10 questions from general awareness. Each question carries 3 marks. 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Candidates who are clear preliminary test will be eligible for advanced test in the respective trade. The test will comprise of 50 multiple choice questions for 2 hours duration. 3 marks is awarded for each correct answer and 1 mark is deducted for each incorrect answer. Only those candidates who have cleared the stage 2 test is eligible for the skill test. Candidates clearing the skill test will be shortlisted and empaneled in order of merit based on the marks secured in stage 2. For the post of work assistant, there are 12 vacancies. Educational qualification required is 10th or SSC pass. Age limit, minimum 18 years and maximum 27 years. The selection process will include a preliminary test and advanced test. The preliminary test is a written test which will consist of 50 multiple choice questions of 1 hour duration. There will be 20 questions each from maths and science and 10 questions from general awareness. Each question carries 3 marks and 1 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. The advanced test will be held for those candidates who qualify and are shortlisted in Stage 1 preliminary test. There will be 50 objective type questions of 2 hours duration consisting of 15 questions each from Maths and Science, 10 questions from General Awareness and 10 questions from Basic English. Each question carries 3 marks and 1 mark is deducted for each wrong answer. Final merit list will be prepared based on the scores obtained in advanced test. Application fee is ₹150 for the post of Stipended Trainee Category 1 and ₹100 for the remaining posts. SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen and women candidates are exempted from payment of fees. Interested and eligible candidates can apply online from 4th January 2021 till 22nd January 2021. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.